Greetings everyone. I am Dr. Ahmed Masood Khan. Today's lecture is about definition and types of biodiversity. Biodiversity, a term derived from biological diversity, encapsulates the vast tapestry of life that thrives on our planet. It encompasses the incredible variety of species, ecosystem, and genetic diversity present in diverse landscape ranging from microscopic organisms to majestic trees and from intricate marine ecosystem to sprawling terrestrial habitats. Understanding biodiversity is pivotal as it unveils the intricate web of relationships and interdependencies that govern life on Earth. This introductory exploration into biodiversity and its types seeks to unravel the richness and complexity of our natural world, shedding light on the critical role played by various forms of life, the different dimensions of biodiversity, and the significance of its conservation for the sustenance of ecosystems and the well-being of both nature and humanity. Biodiversity constitutes the diverse and intricate array of life forms present on Earth, ranging from bacteria to trees and from insects to mammals. This vast spectrum of living organisms is fundamental to the intricate balance of our planet's ecosystems, playing a pivotal role in sustaining the delicate equilibrium of the natural world and contributing significantly to the well-being of human societies. The comprehensive study of biodiversity delves into the intricate dynamics of how these organisms are distributed, their abundance within ecosystems, and the complex interaction that unfold among them. In this lecture, we explore the diverse types of biodiversity, their profound significance, and the challenges that this intricate web of life encounters in the face of environmental changes and human activities. Understanding biodiversity is paramount for appreciating the interconnectedness of life and recognizing its indispensable role in supporting ecological health and human livelihoods. As we delve into various facets of biodiversity, we gain insight into the intricate tapestry of relationships that define ecosystems, ranging from genetic diversity within species to the richness of distinct ecosystems. Moreover, we address the challenges confronting biodiversity, emphasizing the urgent need for conservation efforts to ensure the sustainability of our planet's diverse and fragile ecosystems. Biodiversity classified into three primary types encompasses genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity denotes the assortment of genes existing within species and populations, serving as the bedrock for species diversity and facilitating organismal adaptation to shifting environmental circumstances. Vital for the enduring survival of a species, genetic diversity furnishes the essential material for evolutionary process and adaptation. The dynamics of genetic diversity within populations are influenced by factors like mutation, gene flow, and genetic drift, shaping the genetic makeup of species over time. Species diversity, another facets of biodiversity, underscores the variety and abundance of distinct species within specific regions or ecosystems. This diversity reflects the complex interplay of ecological factors and evolutionary process contributing to the resilience and stability of ecosystems. Understanding and conserving species diversity are paramount for maintaining the intricate web of life on Earth and ensuring the continued functioning of ecosystems. Ecosystem diversity, the third category, encapsulates the range of ecosystem present on the planet, each harboring unique combinations of species and habitats. This diversity sustains vital ecosystem services and underscores the interconnectedness of life forms across different environments. Species diversity, often termed species richness, embodies the diversity and abundance of various species within a specific geographical area or ecosystem. It serves as a gauge of the quantity of distinct species present and their relative distribution within the ecosystem. The richness of species in an ecosystem indicates its health and resilience, as a diverse ecosystem tends to exhibit greater stability. Species engage in intricate interaction with one another and their surroundings, weaving complex network of relationships crucial for ecosystem functioning. However, the global threat to species diversity persists due to factors such as habitat degradation, the introduction of invasive species, and overexploitation of resources, posing significant challenges for the preservation of species diversity worldwide. The preservation of species diversity is essential for maintaining the balance and functionality of ecosystems, ensuring their sustainability and resilience in the face of environmental changes. Efforts to mitigate threats to species conservation, strategies that address the root cause of biodiversity loss by safeguarding habitat, controlling the spread of invasive species, and adopting sustainable resource management practices. Societies can contribute to the protection and restoration of species diversity. Upholding species diversity not only preserve the intrinsic value of each species but also sustain the intricate web of life on which human well-being and the health of ecosystems depend. Ecosystem diversity, also known as ecological diversity, encompasses the variety of ecosystems present on Earth and the ecological process that occur within them. Ecosystems range from forest and grassland to freshwater and marine environments, each supporting unique combination of species and habitat. Ecosystem diversity ensures the provision of essential ecosystem services such as pollination, nutrient cycling, and climate regulation. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change pose significant threats to ecosystem diversity. Several factors influence the distribution and abundance of biodiversity across different regions and ecosystems. These include climate, habitat diversity, geographical isolation, human activities. Climate plays a significant role in shaping biodiversity patterns, influencing factors such as temperature, precipitation, and seasonality. Different climates support distinct types of ecosystems and species assemblages. For example, tropical regions tend to have higher species diversity than temperate or polar regions due to favorable environmental condition and stable habitats. The variety of habitat within a landscape or ecosystem contribute to overall biodiversity. Habitats range from forest and grassland to wetlands and coral reefs, each supporting unique species adapted to specific environmental conditions. Habitat loss and fragmentation due to human activities such as agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure development are major threats to biodiversity worldwide. Geographic isolation resulting from factors such as mountains, rivers, and oceans can lead to the formation of isolated populations and unique species found nowhere else. Islands, for example, often exhibit high level of endemism due to their isolation and limited dispersal opportunities. However, human activities such as introduction of invasive species and habitat destruction can disrupt these isolated ecosystems. Human activities including deforestation, pollution, overexploitation of natural resources, and climate change are major drivers of biodiversity loss. Deforestation, for instance, destroys habitat for countless species, leading to declines in biodiversity and ecosystem degradation. Pollution from industrial and agricultural resource sources contaminates air, water, and soil, posing threats to both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. Biodiversity is of paramount importance for the functioning of ecosystems and the well-being of humanity. Some key reasons include ecosystem stability, provision of ecosystem services, economic value, cultural and aesthetic value. The presence of diverse life forms in an ecosystem enhances their stability and resilience, reducing vulnerability to environmental disruptions like disease outbreak, climate extremes, and invasive species. Diverse ecosystems exhibit greater capacity to recover from disturbances, ensuring the continuation of vital ecosystem functions such as nutrient cycling, water purification, and soil formation. Furthermore, biodiversity plays a crucial role in sustaining various ecosystem services that are indispensable for human survival and well-being. These services comprise the pollination of crops, climate regulation, provision of clean air and water, management of pests and disease, and the fulfillment of cultural and recreational needs. A decline in biodiversity can disturb these essential ecosystem services, resulting in adverse impacts on human health, livelihoods, and overall quality of life. Biodiversity plays a pivotal role in supporting various economic sectors encompassing agriculture, pharmaceuticals, ecotourism, and biotechnology. The economic value of biodiversity is exemplified by the contribution of diverse ecosystems to the development of medicine derived from natural resources such as plants, animals, and microorganisms. Additionally, biodiverse landscape attract tourists, offering recreational opportunities and generating substantial revenue and employment for local communities. This economic significance underscores the need to preserve and sustain biodiversity not only for ecological reasons but also for its tangible contribution to human livelihoods and economic prosperity. Beyond its economic implications, biodiversity holds profound cultural and aesthetic value across societies globally. Indigenous culture, in particular, establish deep spiritual and cultural connections to the natural world, drawing on traditional knowledge systems developed through centuries of interaction with local ecosystems and species. The richness of biodiversity also serves as a wellspring of inspiration for artists, writers, and photographers, contributing to the cultural diversity and creativity of human societies. Recognizing and preserving the cultural and aesthetic significance of biodiversity is integral to fostering a harmonious relationships between humanity and the natural world, reinforcing the importance of sustainable practices for the well-being of both ecosystem and societies. Despite its importance, biodiversity faces numerous threats and challenges, many of which are driven by human activities, habitat loss, and fragmentation due to agriculture, urbanization, infrastructure development, and logging are among the leading cause of biodiversity decline worldwide. Fragmentation disrupts ecological process, isolates populations, and reduces genetic diversity, making species more vulnerable to extinction. Climate change poses a significant threat to biodiversity, altering temperature and precipitation pattern, sea levels, and the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Many species are already experiencing shifts in their geographic ranges, changes in phenology, and loss of suitable habitat due to climate change, increasing their risk of extinction. Introduction of non-native species into new environments can have devastating effects on native biodiversity, competing with native species for resources, preying on them, or transmitting disease. Invasive species can outcompete native species, disrupt ecological process, and cause population declines and extinctions. Overexploitation of natural resources, including overfishing, hunting, and poaching, threatens many species with extinction. Unsustainable harvesting practices can deplete populations, disrupt ecosystems, and undermine the long-term viability of resource-dependent industries. Pollution from industrial, agriculture, and urban sources poses a serious threat to biodiversity and ecosystem health. Pollution can contaminate air, water, and soil, harming wildlife, ecosystems, and human health. Chemical pollutants, plastics, and oil spills can have catastrophic effects on marine and freshwater ecosystems, affecting aquatic species and their habitats. So, conserving biodiversity requires coordinated efforts at local, national, and global levels involving governments, communities, businesses, and civil society organizations. Some key strategies for biodiversity conservation include protected areas, sustainable land use planning, restoration and rehabilitation, conservation of endangered species, sustainable resource management, international cooperation. So establishment and management of protected areas such as national parks, wildlife reserves, and marine protected areas are critical for safeguarding biodiversity and preserving natural habitats and ecosystems. Protected areas provide refuges for endangered species, enable ecosystem recovery, and support research and monitoring efforts. Implementing sustainable land use practices, including responsible forestry, agriculture, and urban planning, can help minimize habitat loss and fragmentation. Incorporating biodiversity considerations into land use planning ensures the development activities are compatible with the conservation of ecosystems and species. Efforts to restore degraded ecosystems and rehabilitate damaged habitats contribute to biodiversity conservation. Reforestation projects, wetland restoration, and coral reef rehabilitation are examples of initiatives aimed at recovering ecosystem structure and function, enhancing habitat quality, and supporting biodiversity recovery. Species specific conservation action targeting endangered and threatened species are crucial for preventing their extinction. These may include captive breeding and reintroduction programs, habitat restoration, anti-poaching efforts, and measures to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Adopting sustainable practices in the harvesting of natural resources such as fisheries and timber is essential for maintaining the health and productivity of ecosystems. Sustainable resource management ensure the exploitation rates are within ecological limits, allowing population to replenish and ecosystem to recover. So biodiversity conservation is a global challenge that requires international cooperation and collaboration. Treaties and agreements such as Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD) aim to promote conservation sustainable use, and equitable sharing of the benefits arising from the use of biodiversity. International efforts are essential for addressing transboundary conservation issues and promoting shared responsibility for global biodiversity. Biodiversity serves as a fundamental pillars for life on earth, delivering crucial ecosystem services, fostering human well-being, and contributing to the culture and economic richness. Nevertheless, the escalating loss of biodiversity presents a formidable threat to ecosystems and the overall stability of the planet. To effectively address this global challenge, it is imperative to comprehend the diverse types of biodiversity, the factors influencing its dynamics, and the paramount importance of conservation efforts in safeguarding our planet's ecological balance. Comprehensive initiatives aimed at biodiversity conservation must extend beyond isolated measures. These efforts should encompass the protection of natural habitats, sustainable management of resources, and robust international collaboration, recognizing the intrinsic value of biodiversity and its indispensable role in sustaining life. Societies are called upon to unite, ensuring a future where diverse ecosystems flourish, thereby supporting the well-being of both the natural world and humanity. The preservation of the intricate tapestry of life on earth emerges as a shared responsibility, emphasizing the urgency of collective action to protect and cherish our planet for current and future generations. Thank you all for your engaged participation. I anticipate more enriching interactions in our upcoming lectures. Thank you all.